The Development Bank of Jamaica has launched the M5 Business Recovery Program. This is a $10 billion initiative aimed at helping businesses recover from Hurricane Melissa. The program will provide concessional loan financing, grant support and credit enhancement solutions to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises and other productive businesses that suffered losses and disruptions as a result of Hurricane Melissa. The full $10 billion will be deployed over 18 months using a blended method. $3 billion from the government in Q4 of the 2025-2026 fiscal year, $7 billion in the following fiscal year, all through the Development Bank of Jamaica. Priority sectors include agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, and distribution. DBJ will soon release detailed guidelines and application procedures, enabling financial institutions to begin accepting applications.